Welcome back, everyone. Today's lecture focuses on a critical aspect of business success: customer retention. Acquiring new customers is important, but keeping your existing customers happy and loyal is even more vital. Research shows that retaining customers is far more cost effective than acquiring new ones. Loyal customers not only make repeat purchase but also become advocates for your brand, helping to grow your business organically. In today's session, we will explore proven strategies and techniques for retaining customers and maintaining strong relationships that foster long-term loyalty. In this lecture, you will get insight into the importance of customer retention and its impact on business growth, specific strategies for maintaining customer loyalty, how can customer satisfaction be measured, and areas for improvement identified. Real-world examples of successful customer retention techniques. Let's start by discussing why customer retention is crucial for business sustainability and growth. While it's essential to attract new customers, retaining the ones you already have is often more cost-effective and impactful. Studies show that increasing customer retention rates by just 5% can increase profits by 25 to 95%. Here are a few reasons why. Acquiring new customers requires significant investment in marketing and sales efforts, while retaining existing customers typically costs much less. Loyal customers spend more over time, especially when they develop a strong relationship with your brand. The longer you retain a customer, the more value they bring to your business. Satisfied, loyal customers often recommend your business to others. Word-of-mouth referrals and positive reviews can generate new leads organically, reducing the need for expensive advertising campaigns. Let's dive into the specific strategies that help maintain customer loyalty and encourage long-term relationships with your business. Customers appreciate businesses that understand their individual needs and preferences. Personalizing communication, whether through email marketing, product recommendations, or follow-up messages, makes customers feel valued. For example, sending birthday emails with specific discounts or recommending products based on past purchases can go a long way towards keeping customers engaged. Spotify does a great job with personalized communication by curating playlists based on users' listening history, creating a personalized music experience that encourages you to stay loyal. Fast, responsive, and empathetic customer service is one of the most effective ways to retain customers. If customers feel supported and their issues are resolved quickly, they're more likely to remain loyal. Offering multiple channels of communication such as live chat, email, and phone support gives customers the flexibility to reach out when they need help. Zappos is famous for its outstanding customer support. They offer 24/7 service and are willing to go above and beyond, even if it means staying on the phone for hours to help a customer. A well-designed loyalty program rewards customers for their repeat business, making them feel appreciated and incentivized to continue buying from your brand. Offering points, discounts, or exclusive perks can help create a sense of belonging and encourage frequent purchases. Starbucks reward program gives customers points for every purchase. They can redeem for free drinks or food. This system not only encourages repeat visits but also builds long-term loyalty by creating a fun, engaging way for customers to interact with the brand. Keeping in regular contact with your customers helps maintain your relationships and ensures your brand stays top of mind. This doesn't mean bombarding them with ads, but rather providing valuable content, updates, and reminders about new products, promotions, or events. Regular engagement helps build trust and keeps your customers connected to your brand. Sephora uses regular engagement strategies by sending personalized beauty tips, new product announcements, and exclusive deals to their loyalty program members. These updates keep customers engaged and encourage them to return to the store or website. Asking for customer feedback shows that you value their opinions and are committed to improving their experience. Implementing feedback loops such as post-purchase surveys or customer satisfaction polls allows you to identify areas where you can improve, and it also gives customers the sense that their voice matters. Airbnb sends follow-up surveys after every stay, asking guests to rate their experience and provide detailed feedback. This not only helps Airbnb improve its platform but also strengthens its relationship with customers by showing that their feedback is important. Now let's take a look at how Amazon has mastered the art of customer retention. One of Amazon's key strategies is its Prime membership program, which offers customers fast shipping, exclusive deals, and access to services like Prime Video and Prime Music. By creating a loyalty program that provides ongoing value beyond just shopping, Amazon has built a loyal customer base that keeps coming back. Prime members tend to spend more and purchase more frequently than non-members. This is a clear example of how creating a comprehensive loyalty program can lead to long-term customer retention and business growth. When customers feel like they are getting consistent value, whether through fast service, exclusive perks, or personalized experiences, they are far more likely to remain loyal to your brand. To maintain strong customer relationships, it's essential to measure satisfaction regularly. By tracking key metrics, businesses can spot issues before they lead to customer churn and make improvements where necessary. Here are a few ways to measure customer satisfaction. NPS is a simple matrix that measures customer loyalty by asking one key question: how likely are you to recommend our company or product to a friend or a colleague? This score helps gauge overall customer satisfaction and the likelihood of a referral. CSAT is a more detailed matrix that allows customers to rate their experience with specific interactions or aspects of your business, such as customer service or product quality. This matrix tracks the percentage of customers who continue to do business with you over a set period. High retention rate indicates strong customer loyalty, while a declining rate signals potential issues. This is the percentage of customers who stop doing business with you over a specific period. High churn rates can be a red flag that your retention strategies need improvement. Think of customer retention like tending a garden. Just as you water plants, remove weeds, and give them the right amount of sunlight to ensure they grow, you need to nurture your customer relationships. Regular engagement, personalized care, and addressing customer concerns help your customer base thrive. If you neglect these relationships, like an untended garden, they will wither and disappear over time. Choose a company that is known for excellent customer retention. Research the strategies they use to keep customers loyal and satisfied. Write a 400-word analysis on their retention techniques and explain why they are effective. What are your thoughts on customer retention? Have you ever had an experience with a company that kept you coming back? And what made you stay loyal? Let's discuss during our next session, or feel free to reach out with any questions in the comment section. That wraps up today's session. Next time, we will explore how to build a customer-centric business culture, which will help create long-lasting relationships with your customers. Looking forward to seeing you all then.